And here we have an old Mansfield toilet. This is in an office. Let's try a flush. Huh. Well, that was a fail. Yes, sir. Absolute failure. Well, time to call the plumber.